Temperature control is critical for applications that require centrifugation at specific temperatures. Temperature control capabilities. Refrigerated centrifuges capability maintains temperatures down to -20 degrees C. Importance: suitable for sensitive samples. Heating function capability. Some models can heat up to 40 degrees C. Importance: useful for certain biochemical processes. Thermostatic control capability. Precise temperature settings within plus or -1 degree C. Importance: ensures reproducibility. Temperature monitoring capability. Continuous display of temperature. Importance: allows real-time adjustments. Cooling speed capability. Rapid cooling to desired temperature. Importance: saves time and preserves sample integrity. Temperature range capability. Wide range from -20 degrees C to 40 degrees C. Importance: flexibility for various applications. Temperature recovery capability. Quickly returns to set temperature after opening. Importance: minimizes exposure to ambient conditions. Temperature control capabilities are essential for ensuring the quality and consistency of centrifugation processes. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding temperature control capabilities, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.